Step into the fascinating realm of future technology. Join us at techrevolt as we delve into cutting-edge food processing technologies and automation. Our focus today revolves around a pivotal inquiry. Do machines outperform humans? Brace yourself for an exhilarating journey ahead. Marshmallow production starts with mixing sugar, gelatin, and flavorings in a large machine. It is pumped into molds to give marshmallows their shape. They cool down and set in trays. A cutting machine then slices them into the right size. They're packaged into bags or boxes, ready for sale. Fresh pork bellies are trimmed and cleaned. They're coated with a mixture of salt, sugar, and sometimes spices for flavor. This curing process takes several days, allowing the flavors to penetrate the meat. In the smoking chamber, the bacon is exposed to low heat and smoke from hardwood chips. Once smoked, the bacon is cooled and sliced. It can be packaged for sale, as strips, slabs, or other forms. Freshly harvested blueberries are first sorted to remove any leaves, stems, or damaged berries. The berries are dried gently to avoid bruising. Then they're sorted again to ensure only high-quality berries make it to packaging. Labels with product information and expiration dates are applied before the packages are sent for distribution. Chicken drumsticks are separated from the whole chicken and trimmed of excess fat. Then, they're portioned into individual drumsticks using automated cutting machines. These drumsticks are inspected for quality and size consistency. Labels indicating product information, such as weight, are fixed to each package before they're boxed and ready for shipment. The curry sauce processing begins with blending ingredients like spices, vegetables, and herbs in large mixers. This mixture is cooked slowly to develop flavors and achieve the desired consistency. It is then cooled rapidly to preserve freshness in containers. These containers are sealed and labeled with product information before being packed into boxes for distribution. The dumpling stuffing process involves preparing a filling mixture of ingredients like minced meat, vegetables, and seasonings. This mixture is then portioned onto dough sheets using automated equipment. The dumplings are boiled, steamed, or fried, depending on the desired cooking method. Finally, the dumplings are packaged into bags or containers, ready to be sold to consumers. Ingredients like sugar, butter, and flavors are mixed together in precise amounts by machines. Then, this mixture is heated up until it becomes thick and sticky, just like toffee. It is poured into molds that give the toffees their shape. These molds then go through a cooling process, which helps the toffees harden. The toffees are packaged up and ready to be enjoyed by people everywhere. Large machines grind up big pieces of beef into tiny bits. This ground beef then goes through a series of steps to ensure it's clean and safe to eat. It is weighed and packed into trays or tubes by more machines. Once packed, the trays or tubes are sealed tight to keep the ground beef fresh. They're sent off to stores where people can buy them and cook up delicious meals like burgers or spaghetti. Ever wondered how hot dogs are made in huge quantities? On a hot dog manufacturing line, it's all about efficiency. Ingredients like meat, spices, and fillers are mixed together in precise amounts by machines. They're cooked and smoked to perfection. Once cooked, the hot dogs are cooled down and packaged up for distribution. Hot dogs ready to be enjoyed at picnics, barbecues, and ball games. In an industrial-scale jelly bean manufacturing process, sugar, flavorings, and gelatin are mixed together to form a gooey mixture. This mixture is then poured into tiny bean-shaped molds and left to set. The jelly beans are removed from the molds and coated with a sugary shell in various colors. After drying, they're sorted and packaged into bags or boxes, ready to delight candy lovers everywhere. In a large-scale chocolate truffle assembly line, rich chocolate ganache is made by blending chocolate and cream together. Then, this ganache is shaped into small balls by machines. These balls are coated with more chocolate and toppings, like nuts or cocoa powder. The truffles are packaged into beautiful boxes, making them perfect gifts for special occasions or indulgent treats. Drop of a 1 in the comments below if you are a chocolate lover. Ripe lemons are washed and sorted to ensure they're clean and fresh. Then, they're sent through machines that extract the juice by squeezing them. This fresh lemon juice is then filtered to remove any pulp or seeds. It is bottled up and sealed tight to preserve its zesty flavor. Now, it's ready to be enjoyed as a refreshing drink or used in cooking and baking recipes. Ripe pomegranates are washed and cut open to reveal their ruby red seeds. These seeds are separated from the white pith and collected by machines. The seeds are dried and packaged into containers or bags. They are ready to add a burst of flavor and color to salads, desserts, or enjoyed on their own as a healthy snack. Skilled workers trim and cut the meat into uniform pork chops. These chops are inspected for quality to ensure they meet safety standards. The pork chops are carefully packaged, often in vacuum-sealed bags, to maintain freshness. Labels are added with important information like expiration dates. The packaged pork chops are sent to distribution centers or supermarkets for you to enjoy cooking at home. A mixture of ground meat, spices, and flavorings is prepared. This mixture is fed into a machine that stuffs it into sausage casings. Once stuffed, the sausages are linked or twisted into individual portions. They then undergo cooking or smoking to enhance flavor. The sausages are packaged and labeled before being sent out to stores for you to enjoy in your favorite recipes. A mixture of fresh vegetables, meats, and seasonings is prepared. Then, thin spring roll wrappers are filled with the mixture. The rolled spring rolls are then fried or baked until crispy and golden brown. Finally, they are packaged and ready to be served with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy the crunchy goodness of spring rolls made fresh. A variety of fresh vegetables like bell peppers and onions are washed and chopped. These vegetables are then cooked and seasoned to enhance their flavor. The toppings are quickly cooled to maintain their freshness. Finally, they are packaged and ready to be added to your favorite pizza crust. Enjoy the burst of flavors from our vegetable pizza toppings made fresh from our processing line. The oranges are washed and sorted to ensure quality. They're squeezed to extract the juice. The juice is then filtered to remove any pulp or seeds. It is pasteurized to make it safe to drink and extend its shelf life. The juice is bottled up and sealed tight to preserve its freshness. Now, it's ready to be enjoyed with breakfast or as a refreshing drink any time of the day. We're delighted to have you with us. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. Because at Tech Revolt, there are always new upcoming adventures. Until the next time.